BMC, the richest municipal corporation in the country, everywhere for the preparation of monsoon, crore of rupees has been spent, but every year the unfortunate incidents take place in Mumbai. Many people die because of the open manhole and the waterlogging which take place in Mumbai's low-lying area. This type of incident has one time has occurred now in Mumbai's Sakinaka area, where you can see in the visuals, this is the very manhole which was opened few hours ago, and from here a 60-year elderly man was passing by and talking on the phone, and in this manhole he fell and he died. The body has been recovered from this manhole, and now BMC has to take some action, because as per the deputy mayor of Mumbai, he said there was no work permit which was given to the contractor to open this manhole. Right now we are standing at this very manhole. If you can see, it has been closed now. What's the thing closing it now when some person has lost his life? The incident happened at 2 o'clock and 15 minutes in the afternoon, and after that fire brigade rushed to the spot and tried to rescue the person, but unfortunately there were certain things because of that the person did not survive. How fire brigade know that there were person inside who fell inside? Because of the help of CCTV. With that, there was umbrella and a slipper which was found from inside this very manhole. Now the question raises why there was no preparation, who gave the work permit to the contractor, and how irresponsible is BMC, is the richest municipal corporation in the country. Still you can see now this very manhole has been shut, but till the time this entire incident happened, it was open, and now BMC has shut this manhole over here. There will be some things which have to be very important to see in this entire matter, how police will see this case, as if the FIR will be filed in this entire matter, and what action will be taken by BMC and police will be very important to see.